You guys got me. I can't be buying sneakers anymore. Like you guys said, I'm in debt, right? I did a video the other day talking about selling my entire sneaker collection, and I'm in debt. You guys are right, man. I have to stop buying shoes. So, it looks like that's it. It looks like that's it. You know, I got to get rid of my debt. I am getting older, and I need to get out of debt. And, you know, not buy expensive sneakers or just sneakers in general. Not spend unnecessary money until I get out of debt, right? You don't want to be in debt. And here on YouTube, you got to spend money to make money. So, being in debt, man, just not good. Not good. So, it looks like you guys are right. You guys are exposing me. I have to quit buying sneakers. I have to stop buying sneakers. Man, that's honestly devastating. It sucks. I love sneakers, but you guys are right. You guys are absolutely right. You know, when I'm in debt, I shouldn't be buying sneakers. Spending $200, $300, $400 or even more on a pair of sneakers when you're in debt just doesn't make sense. It just doesn't add up. And I have to get out of debt and stop buying shoes. So, with that being said, I am now announcing that I will be stopping buying sneakers. You guys are not going to see sneakers on this channel. Man. This sucks. This sucks because I'm just kidding, guys. The truth is that you guys are right. You know, I shouldn't be buying sneakers, but this is my YouTube channel. This is how I'm trying to get out of debt. How I'm trying to make this, everything. My everything. I have 17,000 subscribers, so thank you guys for the love and the support. But I'm trying to get out of debt. I want to grow bigger here on YouTube. In order to grow bigger, I have to buy shoes, to review, to show you guys. Just keeping them is not going to be happening, right? I won't be keeping any real shoes. I'll be selling, shoes. Everything I buy now, I'll pretty much be selling to get most of the money back, if not all the money back, if not make money, in order to pay off my debt. It just makes sense, guys. So, all the comments all the time lately I've been getting are, why are you still buying shoes? You're in debt. Stop buying shoes, you're in debt. How are you still buying shoes when you're in debt? Guys, I have to buy shoes. It's kind of like my job now to buy shoes, and I want to make it my job to buy shoes. So, I have to buy them and make content for you guys, which of course, you guys know I'm going to make money on the video, sponsorships, grow my channel here on YouTube and get, an audience popping. So I have to, of course, buy shoes in order to do any of that. So guys, please, from now on, please no more comments about, why are you still buying shoes when you're in debt. I have no choice, right? It's kind of like I said, my job. It's as simple as that. I want to continue to grow here on YouTube. So guys, please make sure you guys hit that thumbs up for me. That really does help the channel grow so much. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you are new and drop a comment down below. That does help the channel grow so much as well. I do thank you guys so much for the love and the support. With that being said, guys, it is my job to buy shoes. It's as simple as that. So I'm not going to be stopping YouTube. I've had people DM me and ask me, am I quitting YouTube? No, I'm not quitting YouTube. I'm not quitting buying sneakers. I just won't be really keeping sneakers. I'll be selling some of my collection, selling some things that I'm just sitting on and getting rid of, some of the debt. But I'm not going to be, quitting buying shoes. I can't. Right? Like I just explained, I can't. So, with that being said, I'm not going anywhere. I hope you guys, agree with me. I hope you guys understand where I'm coming from with this. Being in debt, it does absolutely suck. And I'll get out of debt, but I still have to buy shoes, right? I gotta spend money to make money, here on YouTube and just with pretty much anything in life. So, buying shoes is just something I'm always gonna do. And I do make money on shoes, right? It's rare, honestly, that I even lose money on a pair of shoes. Most of the time I make money. So I do need to, of course, continue to buy shoes here for the channel and continue to resell and get out of debt. So I hope you guys understand. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. A real quick video today. I'll be dropping more resale videos coming up because we do have some new sneaker releases dropping. I'm very hyped. We're getting back into things. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button if you are new. With all that being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.